All right, today we're gonna bring a Type-C to Type-C cable, and this is perfect for if you have a digital camera, if you're gonna be streaming, or you want to transfer your pictures over through the camera, you could do that. So today we're gonna plug it in, and if you guys can see, these are beautiful cables. It's up to 5 meters long, all right? Beautiful cables. They give you a slanted one, so it could be a corner one, and then a straight out one. So we could do this one on we have a computer here, which is a Type-C to Type-C. We're gonna go ahead and do that. We're gonna set our slanted one, which I like to do that. Slanted one goes in here, plug it in. And then if you have a digital camera like I do, this is a ZVE10, and we're gonna plug it in, and it has a slot for a Type-C connection here. And we're gonna use it to stream ourselves, and if you wanna do meetings or anything like that, you can do that. So you grab one in here. And before that, you got to go into your settings, all right? And some of the actual cameras, you have to go into settings and teach it. Like for example, I set up a shortcut where I go into my settings and I'm gonna say stream, and I say stream camera. And then once I stream, I just got to do is plug it in, and it's gonna plug in. Now it's recognizing the camera. We're gonna plug in the camera. Let's go see if it recognizes our camera into stream mode. So we go to zoom, we're gonna camera cable, open zoom. So we're gonna open it up and we're gonna see if this is picking up with that. All right, so now that we have the stream, we're gonna say join computer on camera. We're gonna change it to the EZ-10. All right, and here we are. Look at the beautiful quality of it, and you have a 4K. Look, you have a 4K camera here. If you guys can see, 4K transferring right through the cable. Let me take a look at it. See, so the camera is picking up really well, 4K, all the details. So you can use this cable to stream or to transfer your pictures over, and they give you up to 5 meters. So you're gonna be able to, if say you're gonna do a football game or a basketball game, and you have a camera like this, and you want to record to your computer, you can do that too. And you can stream the game live in a good quality, of course, using all the features that your laptop has and all the features your camera has. It's a plus. So the cable is a really good cable if you ever want to use something like this for transferring, or if you're going to use it for something else. You can use it for multiple items too. You can also use it for your Oculus Quest to transfer the actual video into your computer, or play high definition games too. They're available. So really good cable. You can use it for multitasks. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video.